So I don't know how many days I didn't trade. I think I didn't trade uh, 2 weeks. I'm sorry for that.
Körperlich und mental.
Mm, I didn't trade for 2 weeks. I think I don't know, or for 1 week and 2 days, and now I need to put myself in a position where I need to trade, and I'm right now downfalling, but I'm gonna go up again. I'm not gonna downfall. Okay. Mm, so we do daily bias. Mm, the furthest lows, the highest lows. Mark every liquidity at the first. I didn't trade because of my girlfriend, and I know that's not good. But since I have a girlfriend, I'm not so disciplined. I don't have discipline for trading. I completely forget about it, and I rather spend the time with my girl. But I think that's normal, and I am gonna get I'm gonna, how to say it, bro, fuck it. I'm gonna come back up or down or up. Yeah, I'm gonna come back up and try to trade and to be good at trading. So what do I see? What do I see? I see we do have many liquidities down. So at the first, so I would trade to the downside now. But as you can see, I would only trade to this up high right here. That's my, if we hit that, I'm not gonna trade to the upside anymore because we don't have any liquidities, and I don't know a strategy where I can take out some shit. So my first instinct is we maybe go up, take this liquidity out, and go down to take this out. I would trade to this low right here or to the equilibrium. Maybe to this low right here too, but I don't think so because we got on the ES or I don't know, we got Berger structure, another Berger structure, inverted Favre gap. That's like a Berger structure as how teacher R told me. And on the NQ we don't have a breaker structure, so we could go down and get a breaker structure. Oh, that's the 1 hour. So we are going now to the 5 minute. That's more interesting for me. So I would trade to this equilibrium 2 because that's for me like a liquidity. We are ready to get out here. So if we get a retrace right now or back movements to the upside on the S, it would be because of this liquidity, the equilibrium, and so let's look at the 1 hour charts. On the 5 minute charts. So bro, there's so much information right here. I'm old in trading. I need to get back to the trading. Okay, we got 3 up highs. I would trade now to the upside for these highs. They are looking very good, and here too we got here very good highs. Yeah, we got very good highs. So I would trade now to the upside. Yeah, I just told you guys I would trade to the downside, but I watched the 1 hour, so let's just forget. I'm not trading with high time frame. So I would trade to this both lows or to this highs. I mean to this two, and let's just see what the market is doing. 1 up. Did it say something about the market? No. We are to the downside in the trend on both. So the NQ got a big move down. That's crazy. It took a both liquidity out and got a liquidity sweep, maybe because of news, I don't know. But we are in the downtrend, and here are we are in uptrend. Let's go further. Okay, we got to the downside, but the ES is chilling. It's going to the upside. So I would now trade on the ES because it's chilling and it's not doing movements like that. Oh, okay, that's interesting. It went up, but it went down. So I would say right now, for my mini trading, like we are gonna go back to this price range because that's a gap, and we don't want gaps in the trading. So I think we're gonna go down. I was right. We got that gap filled, and we're going up now, I would say. Up? Okay. I'm not right. We're going to the downside. ES is going down. So I'm gonna trade anywhere here, and no, not 40, 50, I think. Okay, wait, it went down, it took that share here right out. It's going to the equilibrium. Equilibrium is anywhere there. So let's just analyze it. It went down, took that out, and that's for me like liquidities, very many right here. And I will trade now to the upside, to this high. Or to this high right here, because we got a liquidity sweep right here, and here is very much things to say. On ES we are retracing. We got good movements down, we hit the equilibrium, okay, we did a break of structure. Now what I want is movements up, move ups, a break of structure. Okay, we don't get it. Down. Okay, so we're going down. Took the last Fair gap out, and we go up. I want now a break of structure, and if we're getting one right here, I'm gonna put a position on ES. But we got a break of structure right here, so I would eventually take a trade right here. I would wait now to get this filled, or it's a break of structure, bro. What do we want? Okay, so I would maybe put a long right here, 240 points. We don't want to risk that much to this liquidity, and the stop loss right here, because here is a Fair gap, and or maybe a mini retrace. I will put my stop loss right here, and maybe, I don't know, but maybe I would put it right here. If I need much money, I would put it right there, but right now I don't need much. But let's just go. Okay, so good action. Wait, on ES I wanted to get a break of structure. We got a break of structure, so I would put a long right here. The thing is, right now for me seems the market right now not so good, because wait, look at the market. We got a move down, move up, equilibrium. Okay, we got here equilibrium field. It got a move down and up and a break of structure. The thing is, maybe that's a retrace and we're going down. So if we Alright, I could right here put my stop loss on 0 or on 1 point, and right here 2. I don't need now something, so I could put it eventually here, but let's just see. Move up. I don't like that move up right here, so yeah, I don't like that. What do we got here? We got move up. Come on. We got it. Okay, so I didn't trade for 2 weeks or shit like that, but I got a good trade today. I would put now my trade on 0. Okay, my first takedown profit would be right here, so we would hit it, and my last would 2 got hit, but the thing is I could put my stop loss right here if I really need that money, because wait, we got here highs and we got to the I swear, I know I don't swear, but I promise I didn't look on the replay, like I didn't watch it before. That's crazy that I got a trade like that good. That's really crazy for me right now, but yeah. I think I should trade the next time the same way tomorrow, and next week I'm gonna buy a funded account again, and yeah, I'm fucking hyped for that funded account. The last account I lost it in 2 days, in 2 fucking days. So I don't know how it gonna went this time, but I learned from my mistakes. I overtraded, I know that. So this time I'm not gonna overtrade. I'm gonna chill out. I'm gonna chill out and do one trade per day. One trade per day. My risk management is gonna be on that I can take 4 trades. After 4 trades, I'm gonna lose that account. So that's gonna be my risk management. And yeah, guys, I hope I'm gonna come online tomorrow, because I forgot about trading now, but I think I'm gonna come online. Okay, see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.